Are you experiencing issues with the Passwords app on macOS Sequoia? Hi, I'm Carly. In this video, I'll guide you through 8 troubleshooting solutions to resolve these common issues. So let's watch the video till the end. Check the app's settings. Before begin, ensure that your Mac is updated with the latest macOS Sequoia, and later, under Software Update, check Pending macOS Update. Now, let's verify the settings. Go to the Apple menu at the top left corner and select System Settings. Then, click on General on the left side of the panel. After that, click on the Autofill and Passwords section. Here, turn on the toggle next to Autofill Passwords and Passkeys. If it is already toggled on, then turn off and turn on. After that, turn on the toggle next to Passwords to autofill passwords, passkeys, and codes. If you're using another password manager app and want to autofill passkeys and passwords, turn on the toggle next to that app. Finally, go to the Setup Codes. If you have selected another app, click the drop-down menu and choose the Password app or what you prefer. Here, I selected the Password app to fix the autofill code issue. Now, let's test with Dropbox website, as you can see on your screen. I am able to autofill username, passwords, and verification code at last from the Passwords app quickly and easily. Launch the Passwords app on your Mac and enter a password or Touch ID to access it. Now, go to the top menu bar and click the Passwords. Then, click and open Settings. Enter your Touch ID or password if needed. Then, enable the option beside Show Passwords in the menu bar. As you can see here, the Passwords app icon is in the top menu bar. You can use this app from the menu bar and enter a password or Touch ID to unlock it. Once the Password app is unlocked, you can access the passwords for websites on third-party browser or apps that open on your Mac screen. Or use extensions to autofill the username and password, as explained in Solution 7. If you face a problem with the autofill password on Safari browser, follow the second solution. If autofill not working, verify Safari settings. Make sure the Safari's autofill settings are configured correctly. Follow the steps performed on the video screen. Launch the Safari browser on your Mac computer. Then, click on Safari from the top menu bar and select Settings. Now, go to the Autofill section and make sure the checkbox for usernames and passwords is selected. Suppose you open the login page for an app or website on a Safari browser and see the autofill feature available. You can select to autofill your login details. If you use a third-party browser and don't remember your username or password, launch the Password app on your Mac computer and unlock it with Touch ID or password. Go to the All category and find the website name where you want to log in. Copy the login details and paste them into the login page. Alternatively, you can manually pin the Password app to the menu bar. It works universally, including browsers without an iCloud extension. Password app for third-party browser. If you use a third-party browser like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Arc and face problems with autofill, the easy way to access this feature is to use the iCloud Passwords extension. This extension helps you to access passwords stored in the Passwords app. It is compatible with Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and other Chromium-based browsers on Mac. To download the iCloud Passwords extension, visit the Chrome Web Store, Firefox add-ons, or Microsoft Edge add-ons, search for iCloud Passwords, and click Add or Get to install. For Arc, use the Chrome Web Store. Enable Sync this Mac to use across all Apple devices. Go to the Apple menu and click on System Settings. Then, click on the profile name at the left sidebar. After that, click on the iCloud section and select Passwords. Turn on the toggle next to Sync this Mac and click the Done button. That's it. If the problem persists, move to the next solution. Restart your Mac. Go to the Apple menu. Click on the Restart option. Again, click on the Restart button to confirm. Wait for some moment to complete the restart process. Apple ID check. All device. To use the Passwords app on your Apple devices, you need to sign in with the same Apple ID. This allows the app to sync your passwords across all your devices seamlessly. If you don't see an autofill option or can't access the Password app from the top menu bar, check for VPN and turn it off. Or remove the VPN configuration. Then reload the web page. This may help you access the autofill feature from the Password app. Start up Mac in safe mode. Booting up your Mac in safe mode disables all unnecessary extensions and login items on your Mac. This process helps you troubleshoot issues like the Password app not working on macOS Sequoia. Also, it helps you identify the third-party extension or background item and fix the issue. Let's see the steps. First, you have to turn off your Mac computer. To do so, go to the Apple menu and click on Shutdown. Click on the Shutdown button. Then, wait for at least 10 seconds. After that, press and hold the power button until you see the startup options. Here, choose your startup disk and press and hold the Shift key. Now, click on the Continue in Safe Mode button. During restart, your Mac will show Safe Boot in the top menu bar. Now, unlock your Mac and determine the problem. To turn off Safe Mode, go to the Apple menu and click on the Restart option. Then, click the Restart button. After the restart process, your Mac automatically comes out of safe mode. That's it. Windows PC and Android. Windows PCs can use the iCloud Passwords extension to access Apple Keychain passwords via the iCloud for Windows app. However, Android still needs to have direct integration. Like Apple's Password app, Windows and Android plan to develop a standalone app for managing passwords, Wi-Fi credentials, and two-factor authentication codes. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest technical tips and tricks videos.